Hi, friends. I hope you're all keeping it extra frosty out there today. We are covering the QQQ, January 19th, 2024. Absolutely insane move. 415 all the way up to 421. That's a 6-strike move intraday. Super rare, one of the most profitable, amazing trading sessions that you can imagine and pray for every day. The only problem is when you sell too early because you're shook and unable to believe the action unfolding before your eyes. That's what happened today for many of us out there. But let's walk through step by step. One thing to notice here is when we're looking at popular strikes. Now, this is pulling the 4 most popular strikes with the highest volume. And what you'll notice right away here, the 420p, over 50% is selling it. When you see that, that is a super, super bullish signal. They're selling the 420p all day long. And where do we close? 421.15. Amazing. The open on this thing, the whole market kind of, it's Friday, monthly OPEX. We call it MFF. I can't say why because we're on YouTube. But we open up super choppy, right? It's just blue line and 1 strike below. But then we get to the middle, okay? And look at this thing. It starts to go. We're a strike up. We come down, and then this is going to be your best trade of the day. I'm even scared to click it because I traded this thing, and I think I got out at like 80 or 90% because I am a furu and the worst trader imaginable. Oh my gosh, max gain, 430%. Look at this bull bomb. Oh my goodness. Let's look at this thing. Scroll down. So many alerts today. That's what happens when you have high volume. This was the bull swing that we were just looking at, 379 score. So basically, $400,000 in bullish premium. But the interesting thing here is PS, 1.57. Now, PS stands for position score. That adds up the change from the open, the high, the low, and it really tells you instantly kind of where we are in the market. Now, because this was a swing alert, right, it tells you there was a swing in volatility. We've gone up and we've come back down. And this is a perfect trade. When we send the alert 11:39 for the 416 call, it's slightly above 416. It looks like in 4 minutes later, you're actually able to buy it for a little bit cheaper. But if you bought this for $1, $100, at the end of the day, these things closed at 517. So that's a 4x return, just buying and holding. And why do we like it? A few reasons. One, PS, right where we want it. But second, and probably the most important thing to know when using Rigged AI, is a strategy box, right? So volume is at 140.75%. That means it's way above the 14-day average. And we want to trend follow. And trend follow just means whatever the price is doing, we want to go that way, right? So we want bulls with positive PS. Now, these were profitable. You had to go through a little bit of drawdown. But look at these. 361 on the PS. 361 again. Here, the bull swing, 157. And that's your best alert of the day. When we look at the rest of the session, make sure you watch the blue line rule because what happens? What happens if you violate the blue line 3-strike rule? You get killed sometimes unless we're in hawk mode. And this is just straight hawk mode. You can just look at the chart. You don't have to have any understanding about stocks, this, that, whatever, to just know this thing is going straight up. And when this thing's going straight up, do not try and bring it down. It is not going to come down. I mean, this thing closes at 421. I mean, that's a 6-strike move. Absolutely insane. A lot of traders are going to try it, right? So we get 1, 2, 3. They try it here. They try the 3-strike rule. They try it here again. Look, you need to be able to recognize when price is going up in one direction and just not stopping. I mean, it's very clear when you're in it. The hardest part is to hold on to the bullish or the bearish position, depending if we're going up or down. But that was all you had to do today, right? You come in and you buy this bull swing. I mean, that's one trade. That can make, depending on your size in it, make your month, make your year, make your life. That's a 4x return, buying and holding until the end of the session. Absolutely incredible, and the system worked perfectly. Because why? We get the move up, you get the perfect tag, and then we know we're not stepping in front of the train. This thing's going straight up. We're not going to try and stop it. And at 1400, 1420, it's the end of the day. Everyone's gone home. You made your money. Smile, man. Drink a Mai Tai. It's time. All these alerts were crazy, crazy profitable. Look at these things, 408%. Even when you're getting here, 4 strikes higher, you're still getting 3x. Why? High volume, trend following day. These days are rare, but we have been seeing them on Fridays, which is kind of crazy. Absolutely epic session. So happy for the guys in the Discord and girls and possible Fed bot or two who crushed it. Join us anytime you want. Rigged.ai.